Alright, back here at Joey's, we have our 1403 Edelbrock 500 CFM carb, as opposed to his 600 that was cracked. Now the 500 is going to be very beneficial on this fairly stock 289, because you really don't need that much CFM for 289 cubic inches, even if it's 30 over, which this isn't. This is stock bore. His other motor, which had these heads on it, the one that ate the cam, as everybody saw in the past, it had, you know, these heads do have a little bit of bowl work and a little bit of just some chamber work and everything. Nothing too crazy. No extensive port work or anything. Just a little more oomph. But I mean, it does have stock manifolds, and this thing obviously has a stock cam, so it's not going to flow like the larger cam that he had in the other engine. So we're gonna be, you know, a 600. I would have replaced it with a 600, but because this motor makes a little less power, the 500 is going to kind of bring a little bit more pep back and get that streetability up. So we have everything hooked up and installed and ready to go. So I'm going to crank it. I'm going to prime the fuel system, get it all cranked, get the old baby up and running, let her get up to temp, adjust our idle mixtures, and then I will take it for a test drive. And alright, so she's got fuel, she's fired right up. And then she died because I gave her a blip on the choke. Probably gonna have to adjust the choke a little bit. Okay, I've adjusted the high idle and I leaned up the choke just a hair. Obviously we do not want to give her a blip that early. Gotta let her warm up. But definitely happier. Alright, so I've adjusted our idle mixture and speed. She seems really happy now. Getting up to temp nicely, so I'm going to let her get warmed up the rest of the way. Put the air cleaner on and go for the smooth things here. 500 was the way to go. So much crisper. Alright, just took her around the block. She's pretty happy. I'm going to have Joey drive it for a day or two. And we will get together on the smaller things to see if it's shook down and everything, and go from there.